if you guys want to see how I got this look, please make sure to continue watching and hit that thumbs up button for the intro, because I know this one is corny. And who doesn't like corny intros? Duh. So make sure you guys continue to watch. And yes, this was also a mukbang, so you guys get to see me eat very disgustingly, because like I was hungry. So we're gonna be doing another chit chat. This is not really a chit chat because I mean I'm gonna be talking, but like who really talks? Okay, so this is a mukbang as well. I have a bunch of food that probably should never mix together ever in life, and then I have a lot of chocolate. I have a Jello, and then you guys are probably gonna hate the way I say this, but this is a Nutty Buddy. That's what I call it. I can't really do two things at one time when it comes to food. And like I have my retainers on my plate, which is like so disgusting, but like as well. So oh my god. Hot pepper. You guys can't eat a sandwich without lettuce, hot peppers, sweet peppers, tomatoes, or onions, like this video. Because so good. Alright, so now we're going to just get started. Because okay, so I'm starting out with my brows. I have a bunch of stuff in my teeth, but we're just gonna do brows first. I don't do anything different with my brows. It's literally the same thing in all my videos. So I take my driver's test in like 3 weeks, maybe 2, because Christmas is almost here, so maybe it's 2 weeks now. And so like yeah. If you guys put garlic on your Alfredo or any type of noodles, subscribe, because that means we're twins. And you can still subscribe if you don't, you know, you're still part of the family. I don't know how to do my brows anymore. I've not done my brows in like forever. But they finally look like twin sisters on camera today. So this is the one. I think I say yes. Got my husband. So now, what we're about to do is that was so good. I don't really have an intentional look on what I'm going for, but losing my mind after I start eating. Wow, sloppy eater. So I'm just pleased to concealer on my eyes because my eyes are like very, very oily. Go ahead. Mm. I don't like hoagies. I don't know what is up. Best food ever. It's official. I'm a chef. I can cook. It's over. This juice is so good. Alright, so I think it's time to get down to business. So I'm taking this brush I actually cleaned yesterday. I want to use orange really, really bad. And not because I'm wearing an orange shirt. But I wanted to do like a low cut thing. But my orange is not freaking bright enough. Okay? But we're just gonna do this one first. We're gonna try. Because I suck at makeup. But yeah, we're just gonna complete this step on the other side. And I knew this side is gonna be way much. This side is brighter than that side. Are you serious? Why? It's so dumb. So this is phase 1 of Ormanixx because I was actually filming a video yesterday. But it didn't come out the way I wanted because I don't know her name, but I think her name is Vrana. I'm not really sure what it is, what her name is, but it starts like that. And her makeup is like amazing. And I can't even get it like hers. Which makes me upset. When I get upset, I want to eat, so now, I think I'm gonna do orange and purple. That seems really dope. So this is also the NYX palette, by the way. That's what I'm using. Okay. I don't know what this is. It doesn't have a name, but it's this. It's not the hot pink. But something light, and I'm just gonna place it right literally on my lid of my eye because I don't know why. I just want a little bit of color right there, you know. So of course you see one side and not the other side, which is really weird. Now you guys can see it, and what I'm going to do with the same brush is we're just going to blend it out. Not to where you can see it, but not to where you can't see it. Like I can still see the pink. So just enough. Nasty, but You know what? It's okay. Because who cares? Alright, so food is complete. We don't need this plate no more. That food was bomb. So I have a Jello here. You guys know what this is, right? You guys know what this is. Don't try to play with me. Automatically subscribe. For those who don't know what this is vanilla and chocolate pudding. Best pudding ever. So we're gonna have a best time ever. Okay, so oh my god, it's doing so good. Okay, so I'm just sitting here looking at myself because this don't look really cute. But you're not done. Alright. So after that, I'm still using the same brush, by the way. Only reason why I did not switch brushes yet is because there's no need to. This is like a simple lights look, and who cares? So now I'm going to shoot, forgot what to do. This was gonna, I'm just gonna take this, and even though I'm gonna put it right here, do I want to? I think I might, just so I can, you know. So we're placing this right in this area. And the only reason why I didn't place too much on was because this thing is pretty bright, and I didn't want it to overpower. It was actually pretty bright, and it was never that bright before, so I did not know why it was so bright. But you're gonna go ahead and take this, and you're gonna put it, sorry, right above your eye. In the corner. This one. And we're going to place it right on this, like, that crease line. If that makes, like, that's probably not what you call it, but. No, I actually forgot I had this yogurt sitting here. And so I looked over there and seen it. Oh my gosh. You guys don't understand. Brown, okay? Simple brown, nothing too fancy. I'm just gonna go over this whole entire look with the brown. No, this is not gonna make this whole entire look brown. This is just like, it gives it a neutral look, okay? You see how matte it is now compared to it being too bright? That's all, okay? So this is why I'm using my matte brown. Back to the yogurt. This is pudding. This is pudding, guys. So well, it's like the best pudding ever. I'm pretty sure I said that already, but it is. Now we're gonna move on to highlighter. Any highlighter you want, but of course I use my handy dandy Rihanna highlighter. Alright, so same one I always use. That one. You'll see it. You'll see it. I ain't gotta do nothing. Alright, so nose. I actually was sick. Like, I had the stomach virus and like I really cannot do much. So like it was really hard for me to do things. I also tried to film a video yesterday, but I came out looking like Green Lantern, so I didn't like it, so I just was like, forget it, and then I stayed in my bed for the rest of the day. It's not about to do anything but this. I'm gonna take Instagram pictures today, but I don't know. Oh, I'm so dumb. Sorry guys. You're gonna go back and put your highlighter because I just started feeling myself. And I'm gonna take that ankle brush again. I'm gonna put this in my crease as well on top of the purple, just so we can add a little, so that I can take my Instagram pictures in. I don't know what outfit I'm going to put on, but when I figure it out. So I'm sitting here editing, right? And I just decided that I'm gonna put this next clip in slow motion. So before anyone comes at me, I put it in slow motion because I thought it was cute. So don't come at me on no social media about why I put it in slow motion. I should really put that in slow motion. Okay, so I'm back. So you guys, it took me 5 seconds, but in reality, it probably took me like almost an hour just to figure out what I wanted to wear because I wanted this makeup look to match my hair. I mean, to match the outfit. So, you guys want an overview on the outfit? I'm just wearing a white cami with these Fashion Nova button up and down pants, and then I'm wearing these white gymnastics time. These are white pointy heels. These are by Red Cherry. I got these from Easy Pickings. If you know, if you're from where I'm from, we have an Easy Pickings. If you're not, you're just probably called something else. But yeah, I like how that box just ended sideways. So I wasn't going to do anything with my hair because I wasn't, but because the way it looks, sorry, I'm trying to get a comb, but because the way it looks, I'm gonna just at least try to do something with it because this looks a mess. And I was looking at the back, and the back was just like atrocious. So I'm going in with a fast press because I literally just pressed this out yesterday, and because this is like one of the cheapest versions of hair that I ever had, I just wanted to keep it simple. So I'm back, but I pressed out my hair. Okay, I straightened it, just bumped the ends, but then I realized that this hair can get curled up, so I curled it up. It's no longer straight. Oh, my hair can curl. My hair can curl. It's only I could only do the front, which is really dumb. But so this comes into play with like a lot of stuff. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I don't know how to do hair. I really, like I said, I know how to do hair, but like curled up in the side. But I don't think is that really that noticeable? Hopefully it's not, because like I would be really upset if it's like, nose is running, if it's like that, if it's that noticeable. This one piece of hair right here is bugging the heck out of me, and I don't really know how to really fix that. Try to stick to like the lightest possible liner. Sorry, I didn't finish my sentence. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever, down in the description box. And then, you know, we'll keep in touch.